Let's make the ultimate one-pot creamy Thai red chicken curry. It's quick, packed with authentic flavor, and so much cheaper than a restaurant meal. But most of all, you won't believe how easy it is to make it. So, let's make it happen. First things first, let's slice about 1.5 cups of onion or shallot that will be used as a fragrant base for our creamy curry. Throw it into a pot with 2 tablespoons of oil over medium-high heat. To add another aromatic foundation, slice about 1/4 cup of ginger. Then toss it into your pot. We'll stir this for about 5 minutes to bring out all those amazing flavors. Up next, let's finally chop about 4 cloves of garlic. Stir in the garlic for a minute or until they are fragrant. Now it's time to add the star ingredient, 1/4 cup of red curry paste. Stir for about a minute or 2 or until you can no longer see the oil. For our protein, let's dice about 600 grams of boneless chicken fowl into bite-sized pieces. Feel free to swap the chicken for other proteins like beef, fish, or even tofu. Stir to coat the chicken with the red curry paste. Next, put in about 400 ml of coconut milk. Place 2 stalks of lemongrass on a cutting board, bruise them with the back of the knife, and cut them into 3 pieces. And into the pot. For a fantastic citrusy zing, add 10 to 12 kaffir lime leaves. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce to add savory and umami goodness. To cut through the heat, add 1 tablespoon of sugar and give it a quick stir. To make it heartier, dice about 3 cups of Yukon gold potatoes and they will soak up all those incredible flavor. Bring this to a gentle simmer and let the potato cook for about 10 minutes. Let's add more veggies by dicing about 3 cups of eggplant. Cut them into bite-sized pieces. Fresh from our garden, slice about 2 cups of green peppers and add them to the curry. Give it a stir and bring the heat down to stay simmering. Cover and let it simmer for about 10 minutes or until those vegetables are tender and the chicken is fully cooked through. Finally, toss in 1 cup of Thai basil for that signature Thai aroma. To fully enjoy this incredible symphony of flavors in our red Thai curry, serve it up with a generous side of hot steamed rice. It's the perfect pairing. That's it for our creamy Thai red chicken curry. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. And please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Until then, we will see you next time for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes.